How to change ChatGPT account's password. Now let's jump straight into the process. After you log into ChatGPT, this kind of page will appear. Now over here you cannot find this option of change password, but what you can do is log out of it. Now click on login again. Put your email address and then confirm that you are a human. Click on continue. Now click on forget password. Click on continue. Now you will be receiving mail from ChatGPT, so open your email that is linked with your ChatGPT account. You can see that OpenAI has just sent me the mail. Just open that. Now over here you can find this option of reset password. Click on it. Now here you can type in new password for your account. Again re-enter your new password. And then click on reset password. Password change. Now you can go back and open ChatGPT account's browser. Click on login. Put your email and your new password. Type in your new password and then click on continue. In this way you can change password of your ChatGPT account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change password of ChatGPT account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.